welcome back. I know it's been a minute. It's been forever, like too long, I guess. Like, I don't know. Yeah, no, it's been too long. This video is about, well, it's not really about anything. I just came from Ulta and I bought some products. I re-upped on some things that I liked, and then I bought some new products that I have never tried. Please excuse that dog. Like, he barks at everybody. So yeah. So I have more new than I have re-up. The things that I'm really using today are like foundation, concealer that are new, bronzers. I bought an eyeshadow palette, but I'm not going to use that. I might use that another time, but it was pretty, so I just picked it up. And I never bought this brand before, so I was just like, let me try it, let me support. And then the ones that I bought, it just was more of like my eyebrow pencil, a lip gloss, and my what I use as my face powder. So we're gonna start with the stuff that I already bought, that I use already and that I just re-upped on. So I'm gonna start with the Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss. I got this shade in Samantha. Of course I was swatching a whole bunch of ones because, you know, just seeing different colors, and I'm such a nude type of person. I'm never like into like pinks or purples unless it's like that's what I'm wearing, like, you know, that's what I'm wearing. I love a neutral lip. Like, I've never stepped outside of that unless it's like a red lip or something like that. So I'm just gonna swatch this real quick. So as you can see, super glossy, nothing too much color, not too pink. It has like a little gold shimmer to it, so I decided to pick that up. The next product on our list is the Benefit Hoola. I still have my old one. I think it's hitting pan. Yeah, it's definitely hitting pan already. So I decided to re-up on a new one, but I got the mini size just because I'm still using this. I decided to use this. I re-up on my Hoola. So the next product is Benefit. Another Benefit product, because that Hoola was Benefit as well. My Precisely Brow. I've been using this for the longest. I mean, I ran out a long time ago, and I tried to, you know, you want to try new things. I get my brows done at European Wax Center. I've been using their brow pencil, and their brow pencil actually lasts me a long time. I love the color and the gel and all that stuff. But because I was going to Ulta today, I was like, damn, I need my Precisely Brow pencil because I just love the effect that it gives and just how, like, you know, just how precise it is. Duh, hence the name. Got the shade number 4. I actually saw that they have different shades now. They have, and maybe they've always had it, but the one Ulta I went to, they only had like 5 shades. This Ulta that I went to, they had like, I mean, they had 4, 4.7, 4.75, like 4.5, like, you know what I mean? They had a lot of in-between shades until you got to 5, just so you guys could see that color. Okay, so those are the only products that I got that I read up on: my pencil, the Hoola, and then the Buxom lip gloss. So here's some new products. So this product was actually a free gift that I got. New TooFaced Damn Girl mascara. So it's a little mini thing. Got it in this. Ooh, it's like all curvy. That it looks like that. Okay, TooFaced. So the next product is going to be our Morphe Brontour, and I definitely needed something other than the Anastasia contour palette that I've been using for like years. It's my favorite, but they discontinued it, so I got the shade Vulgar. So this is the box, this is the actual palette, and ta-da. So I feel like that was more, you can see that's more of my skin tone. It's definitely going to deepen, especially this one is going to deepen this area, especially with the foundation I bought. I thought this was like the perfect kind of color to use it. The next product on my list is the ColorPop concealer, the no filter concealer. I got it in the shade 26. So that's that right there. That's the box. That's that shade, which I feel like that was a good, and they most foundations and concealers oxidize. So I felt like this was a good shade for my concealer. This is kind of the shade that I use on all my concealers. And the last brand that I'm doing is Juvia's Palace, which I am like super excited to try this. Like, I've heard so many good things. I went to the Ulta and they only had the foundation, which was kind of like, I came here for the foundation and the concealer, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I was like, well, let me just get the foundation just because they had my shade and they had the color. Here goes the box. I just took it out the box. And I have this shade Casablanca 450. Oh, this is a fresh one because it has a seal on it, which I like because most brands don't seal their makeup. It's good. That's good to know that she like, you know, seals up her shit. Like, look, bitch, nobody used this. This is not a returned item. That's what the shade looks like. It matches very well. I'm just gonna take this and just rub it in really, really good. See, if I put that up to next to my face, it's like a perfect match for my face. So I'm excited to really try this with the concealer. It's gonna look bomb as fuck. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, I've been craving this foundation. Like, I just didn't want to order it offline and it'd be the wrong fucking color. And I didn't want to order a whole bunch either, because I'm cheap. I'm cheap, okay? I like to know what I'm buying, and I like to know what I'm getting. Last but not least is another Juvia's product. Now, probably a lot of people have this palette. I'm just late. I told you I've never bought this brand before. I got the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. It's a pink palette. Out of all the palettes that I saw there, this one stuck out to me the most. Just because of the colors that was in there. You know, I'm pretty sure everybody has this palette. I've seen everybody use it. I've seen a lot of people use it and good reviews on it. So the first top row is like my fave because of the pink, the green, the teal, the blue, the navy blue, the purple, and definitely that maroon. Like, all those colors are popping. And I mean, these colors, you know, you can find in almost any palette, but they're probably super pigmented. These look like they're dual finishes, just like the ones up here, and they look like they're really good toppers or like inner corners. And when I say toppers, I mean like for the lid. So I got that because I was like, girl, this is cute. So yeah, I will not be using this today. I do have other plans today, so my only plan was to use the products that I bought today. Besides the eyeshadow palette, I'd rather go out to dinner and use this. I'd rather use this for a good purpose. So yeah, y'all, just like, comment, and subscribe. Share me, let people know. But I know enough people watch me, and I know enough people like my makeup. So share your girl, and you know, let these people know what's up, that I know what I'm doing. Yeah, y'all, just like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see this next look, keep watching.